This is Vegan Collagen Fluffy Lash by Pacifica, and it is fluffy. Check it out. I'm pretty happy with it. I had to do quite a few layers to get it to where I wanted it, but I probably did about 10 layers. And that means like I did a layer and then I kind of let it dry, did another layer. I find that that really lengthens the lashes. But I do love the brush. The brush does fluff it out and really lift, and I love that there's collagen in it too. So I'd like to thank Pacifica for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is a great addition to my makeup, and look at how pretty that design is. Okay, I might like purple. But like I love this ombre purpled into the pink. It really looks nice. It's classy. I love that it's vegan. I love that it's cruelty-free. So they don't test on animals or do anything like that. And I love that there's extra collagen in it, because I feel that as I'm putting the lashes on and wearing my regular makeup throughout the day, I'm actually getting some benefits, and I'm adding a little bit of collagen and a little bit of health to those eyelashes. So again, thank you so much, Pacifica.